Welcome. In front of me is a T-Mobile T-Phone 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the toggle list right here, and locate the power saving mode, which for me it's on the second page right over here. I believe this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you do, simply tap on it. There we go. It gets enabled, and that's it. It turns the outline of the battery red, and it will most likely, oh, there we go. One thing that it does is turns on dark theme. So right now everything is like this dark mode, but there's also a couple of things happening in the background. So for instance, I'm assuming, because it didn't disclose it right here, so this is just an educated guess, that it's going to disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So when it goes to sleep mode, which would be like right now after a couple minutes of just not using it, it disables it. And because of turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data, you wouldn't be receiving any kind of notifications from apps that require it. Now once you unlock the device, it would automatically reconnect and sync up everything that was missing, but keep that in mind because sometimes you might be wondering where you're not getting any kind of notifications from like Facebook, Messenger, or whatever. This is probably the reason. So anyway, that is how you turn on your power saving mode, and to turn it off, simply find the toggle once more and simply tap on it again, and this will disable it. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.